Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are heading into Walgreens. So let's get in and let's see what they have. Basically, the reason why I am here, my husband just got out of the hospital, so they sent a couple of different prescriptions here, but of course by the time I came home with him from the hospital, the pharmacy section was closed, so I have a half an hour to kill. I'm not going to go back home, so we're going to go inside and actually take a look to see what new hygiene products they have in there. So I wanted to share that with you. So let's get in and let's go into the store. I know it's a long intro, but let's get in and check a look to see what they have inside. Okay, so this is actually last minute out of nowhere. Walgreens stopped with me. I had actually come here to get some medicine for my husband, but the pharmacy actually is closed, so I have half an hour to kill. So we're going to take a look and see what new hygiene products they have here. I rarely come here, so I don't know. So these Dove Weightless dry sprays, those are definitely new. And this right here is new. This is aluminum free secret free lavender. It looks like they have a couple different fragrances too. And this is what I was actually looking for. So give me a second. Here with me, guys. This one screen is really small, but they have this on clearance. They actually have Super Glory for $19.99 from 40, or the big pink. So I'm probably gonna get one. I'm not too sure. below if you guys have ever seen Botanics here before. It looks like they had facial wipes. They were on clearance, but those are super gone. Like this seems to be like a natural, just a naturals vibe here. And then like a ton of fragrance mist. I have the smaller one of this one from Walmart. This is the larger one. I usually have those locked, which is annoying for me, but they have all that stuff here. But yeah, if you see anything that you like, let me know so I can maybe check it out next time. But I do have a lot of fragrance mist myself, so let's take a look over here and see what else we got. So I'm just wasting time. Now, these I've actually seen in TJ Maxx. Right now this shows as $14.99 for acne treatment, but I guess if you can find them in TJ Maxx, that's good. I'm not really seeing anything new. Seems to be, let me see. I'm not really seeing anything super new. It seems to be more so like tanning and sunblock, but looks to be like a lot of tanning. I've seen these actually in TJ Maxx too. But those are way less expensive than TJ Maxx. So if you need some suntan, I actually have some, not suntan, sunblock, obviously. Let me see if there's any new serum here. So this one, my son loves. This is new. It says Acne Control Cleanser. Anything else new? Acne Control Gel. And then looks like they have Cetaphil. What is this? Ice Serum. That seems to be new. Anything else new? And honestly, guys, I don't come in here. I usually go to, I guess this is supposed to be like the Cetaphil too. Looks like Neutrogena is getting in the gentle game too. So let me know if you guys have used that. My son hasn't mentioned Neutrogena, but yeah, let's see what else they got. Yes, I don't really know where stuff is, so just bear with me. We're looking together. So just gonna want to see what they got. It looks like they have Harry's here. They have Dollar Shave Club. I've mentioned this before in other shop with me's, especially from Target, that my husband likes the Dollar Shave Club ones. He was using Harry's for a minute, but he went back to the Dollar Shave Club. This is my son's favorite scent. He's 17 years old, so if you have a teenager, they have a job. They can get their own, obviously. And it looks like we have, let's see, they have Native. I see Native there. It looks like they have a couple. They have Seesaw, Citrus, Charcoal, Sensitive, Coconut, Vanilla. They have a ton. And then they have Schmitz at the top. Let's see, Love Beauty Planet has some. These are a ton from Dove. And then I like the 0%, the Zero Aluminum from Dove. Let me see if these are new though. I don't know if these are new, but these are new to me. I don't see those often in Target. But these are definitely new. I showed you guys when I first walked in. Those are new for me. And then let me see. I think that's it from there. Let me see if anything's here. They have the EOS, the Flamingo Shave Gel. EOS, they have Pure, Glee. It looks like they have Veet. Nothing new down there. A different blades there too. So it looks like they have Intuition, Flamingo, Joy, Venus, and then the blades at the top. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite shade razor. I have some, but I'm definitely always in the market to try something new. And then here they have like a super huge bottle of TheraBreath. I didn't realize that you can use your SSA card with that, so that was cool. Let me see, anything else new? Anything stand out? I'm trying to go slow so we can look together. That Crest Intense I've never noticed that before. So if that's new, maybe that's new. Yeah, none of these are new. So let's take a look to see what they got. And another, these are also, people like these to give you a natural glow in the summer. I work from home, so sometimes I do find myself having to do stuff like that for my legs, just because I'm always working inside. And they have, looks like they have their own shower gel too. I don't even know. Walgreens have their own, so looks like they have cucumber, cherry, mango, fresh ocean, and bright sunshine and relax. Let's see. As you can see there, I definitely grabbed the Soap and Glory, but it looks like this is new for me. Old Spice Gentleman's Blend. I have to check that out for my husband. And then the hair care. So let's see. Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. I've never tried any of their products. I usually stick to, my son likes skin too. I stick with Shea Moisture. This is actually my favorite line from Shea Moisture. This is the coconut and hibiscus. This smells so good. I'm trying to, oh, and he uses the Eco. I started using that too, Eco Styling Gel, just to give my hair a hard hold. And Carol's Daughter, I know Carol's Daughter for the longest from, they're created in Brooklyn, New York, so that's where I know them from. But my, let me know if you guys have ever tried my nail products. I've never tried them before. And if you're watching this and you have naturally curly hair. Alright, let's see if there's anything else here. And I'm very particular with what I put on my hair. Cake. I've seen this somewhere before. I don't remember where, but it looks like they have a hair mask. I'm just picky with what I put in my hair. So I'm trying to look for new stuff though, so give me a second. They do have hair masks, so I wouldn't mind trying like a hair mask. I've used this before too, the coconut oil hold gel. That was good, but this one is new. This is Castor Oil Shampoo. And then Hask. I've heard that that's really good for if you have naturally curly hair. I don't use OGX in my hair at all, just because it seems not to be good for your hair, so I just kind of steer away from it. But this is a favorite of mine. Not Your Mother's Hair Care. Let me see if I have any of the products that I have the mousse at home, and I think I just finished it. And I actually just recently used the dry shampoo. I'm actually digging the dry shampoo too. It wasn't so bad, but let me see. But Not Your Mother's Hair is a really, really good one, so I would definitely recommend that one, just because it seems to be really good. Let me see. And I think that's it. I don't use any of these products. I used to use Pantene before, but I'm not using those anymore. Let's see what else they got. I'm recording this because I want you guys to let me know if you've ever tried Sunbum before. I see this all the time, but I don't really know if it works really good, so I don't want to waste any money on it. So yeah, let me know if that's a good one for you guys. I bit the bullet and I got the breakfast smoothie. So I'm actually on my way out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick shop with me. I know it wasn't exciting, but I figured since I was here, I was gonna give you guys a heads up to see what new stuff they had, since I had to wait around anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't so long, but don't forget to, if you dig videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we shall see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys. Let's see what else. Of course, we can't just leave. We have to just look at stuff. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm out.